Alright guys, beautiful day in Des Moines, Iowa again, and Annalise is going to show you guys how to do the quick release on the steering wheel. Alright, go ahead. Oh, you already got it off. What the heck? No, come on. Let's see, put it back. We'll put it back, and then we lock it in. Lock it in, right? There's a little dot right there. Squeeze it. Squeeze and spin it, and boom. Right off, huh? This is a slim one. You get it on Amazon for pretty cheap. But a lot of other quick releases that I see, they don't hold on pretty good. The first one that I had, it broke off. And yeah, it was trash because it was like straight aluminum. It was way too soft. But this is an actual nice little steel one. And I like that it's slim. It's not thick, so it doesn't push your steering wheel back up on your face, especially when I'm driving a 5-speed. Yeah. So that's the one I went with. What do you think about it, Annalise?
Good.
Good? It's easy to do? It's so easy a kid can do it. All right, let's go. Good job, baby.